Every longevity kitchen needs a few good basics. This is one of mine. It lasts for months, transforms almost any dish, and one simple step gives it an incredibly rich, deep flavor. So please turn on the subtitles and let's make it together.